Yeah. We gotta dig deep on this one. There's a lot of people that just exist in this world, but the cost of living free is invaluable. Follow me.
Dig inside your soul, live for what's unknown. Live free for something better. You gotta dig inside your mind. You gotta push when you feel blind. Live free, live free. That space inside your body, that place to fuse the fire. Live free, live free. That space inside your mind, where all your thoughts will shine. Live free, live free,
Live free, live free. Yeah, look, you gotta live free when they tell you not to. See, that's that almighty talking at you. Quick to tell you what they wanna do, but won't lift a finger when they wanna make it come true. Yeah, see, that's that he say and she say. That shit is so unbearable. Living on the gram for double taps. Guess those comments and those likes is where it's really at, yeah. Praying here for a better day. I'ma do better now, is a common say. I keep it strong on the front line, walking boldly in this truth, I know it's really mine. I judge you for what you don't have. Why they staring, looking in the broken glass? This song ain't for the weak to listen. Take my advice, these are words that are God-given. Gone.
that space inside your body, that place to fuse the fire. Live free, live free. That space inside your mind, where all your thoughts will shine. Live free, live free.
Locksmith, listen, there's something inside of me guiding my direction. The lessons provided me gave me life protection. The funny thing about society is the irony. We all demand the truth till we get it, then we hide in deflection. Extra cynical, minimal facts to show. Desperate for acceptance, we step in the passive role. The status quo is becoming the baddest foe. We left for carrots just to inherit the rabbit hole. Misinformation, intimidation. Judge the next man because of his limitations. Then we double back and repackage the situation. The highest form of flattery is imitation. I've been through the darkness, wrestle with the heartless, learn to swim against the current from where the sharks live. Truth and integrity's where my heart is. As long as I'm me, I will always be free.
That space inside your body, that place to fuse the fire. Live free, live free. That space inside your mind, where all your thoughts will shine. Live free, live free.
You gotta live free when they tell you not to. You gotta live free when they tell you not to.